Hi guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to our channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about the 5 style mistakes women make and how to fix them. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Fridays. So if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably gonna like those too. So head down there, click the red button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. The first style mistake. I thought we would have been over this by now, but apparently not. Apparently people still have not received this memo. Thin leggings. Unacceptable. I'm talking about the thin leggings where you walk behind this misguided soul. You can see her skin through it. You can see what underwear she's decided to wear that day. It is just tragic. It looks messy. It looks sloppy, exposing you in ways that you really don't need to be exposed, you know? You may as well be wearing 30 denier tights and nobody wants that vibe. Okay, so how are we gonna fix this? There are so many interesting textures around that can really build a look. There are leather leggings. These ones are from Commando. They really suck you in. They look great, especially paired with something that is a completely different texture, something that's juicy and cozy. Or you've got something like these Walford leggings that actually have this kind of slit in the front that look insane for like night looks with heels. They're really like going to expose the front of your foot there and it looks really cute and stylish. Again, they're thick, they suck you in, they have a really cool sheen to them. We have these ones which are just a little bit more casual, but again, thick. You are not going to see through these. It is worth spending just that little bit more to have a pair that A, lasts, B, does not bubble up, you know what I'm talking about, and C, just makes you look like put together and like you thought it out, not just like you're messy, you've rolled out of bed and you've just decided to put on a hoodie and some thin ass leggings, you know? The next one is also an issue that, again, people aren't getting the memo on. And this is wearing the wrong socks for your shoes. You could literally be out here looking like the most elegant Audrey Hepburn vibe, okay? And then someone looks at you, they're like, oh, what a great look, gets to the ankles. What are you doing, madam? Okay, you've ruined it for yourself. There are so many weird and wonderful sock styles around on the internet that are not expensive, okay? Amazon is your best friend for this. For ballerina shoes, you are looking for low-cut socks, but that have a grip on the back so that they don't slip off, okay? Because I understand that gripe as well. Everything, all of my little like tips and tricks will be linked below. Low top trainers. No, do not expose your socks unless your socks are part of the outfit. And these ones, they are kind of low cut trainer socks, and again, they do not slip off in my experience. If you're wearing boots or anything that covers the whole foot, do whatever you want. Wear those like weird little socks that have like cat emojis on them. Issue number 3, and it really ties together a look. And this is if you're going to wear a loose fitting baggy top, it could be a sweater, it could be like an untailored t-shirt. If you do not tuck it in, it is just not going to look flattering in the slightest, okay? And this is something that is literally just a tuck, okay? So that you can see a difference that it makes. It pulls the look into your waist. It's going to make it look more flattering. It's not a baggy top and jeans where like, where's the waist, okay? Bring it into the waist. It brings some shape to a look. It brings a very nice silhouette. It just looks way more flattering. Issue number 4 is not wearing a belt. Why do people do this? No, like seriously, like if you don't do this, let me know in the comments why this is your choice not to wear a belt, okay? I'm not judging. I'm just asking. Expose yourself if you wish. The main issue with the no belt wearing is the little dance that one has to do before you sit down, or even a jump. Some people even do a little jump to get in there, okay? Now, this is unacceptable, makes you look sloppy, don't do it. How do we get around this? The belt that was invented for such reasons. Guys, it doesn't have to be a shouty belt, it doesn't have to be a statement belt, it doesn't even have to be a designer belt. It's going to just lift the look. You don't have to do that weird little jiggle, okay, in life, so that's one thing to check off the list. And it just really just brings it all together. And finally, this is an issue that, you know what, is a little bit too easy to spot. And this is people trying to wear styles that aren't them. okay? Now, this one's a little bit deep, but stick with me. Right, we are all guilty of this. I'm sure we have all done this at one stage or another in our lives, okay? I know I have. When I've like seen something so much, I'm like, oh, that's so cute. Buy it, wear it, and I'm like, this is the most un-me thing I have ever worn, and I feel horrific in it, okay? This is the thing, because if it's not your style, that confidence is lost, you're so self-conscious, you don't feel comfortable, you're not yourself because you don't feel and look like yourself. I'm not saying don't go outside of your comfort zone, because some things you go out of your comfort zone, you're like, ooh, hello, killing it, work, she's a queen, okay? And you're like, yes, one more to add to my bank of looks. But if you find something that you are not comfortable in, it doesn't look great on the outside because you're not out here like feeling confident, flexing, working it, you know, feeling good, okay? Because there is nothing better than when you put on a look, okay, and you're like, wow, she's killing it. She's loving life. She looks amazing. She is everything, okay? You know what I'm talking about. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comments what you thought about these tips. Let me know if you want any more of these videos. I'm going to link to another video which is pretty similar, which is 10 ways to make you look expensive. Guys, have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.